Have you ever started a new habit and quit after just a few days?
You're not alone. Most habits fail before they become part of your life. And the reason has nothing to do with motivation. Most habits fail because we make them too big. We expect massive results from day one. And when we can't keep up, we give up. The solution is surprisingly simple.
Start smaller than you think you need to.
Don't promise yourself 30 pages a day. Promise yourself just 1 page.
Don't commit to an hour at the gym.
Commit to 1 minute of movement. Small actions repeated daily create big results.
Consistency matters more than intensity.
Successful habits rely on systems, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. But routines keep working even when you don't feel motivated.
This technique is called habit stacking.
Attach your new habit to something you already do every day.
After brushing your teeth, stretch for 1 minute.
And if you miss one day, don't panic.
Just follow one simple rule: never miss twice.
Missing once is a mistake. Missing twice starts a new habit. Protect your streak by showing up, even for 1 minute.
Here's another secret. Make good habits easy. Put your book where you'll see it.
Prepare your environment before you need motivation. And make bad habits harder to access. Remember, progress beats perfection.
Remember, progress beats perfection.
Your goal isn't to be perfect. Your goal is to keep showing up. Your goal isn't to be perfect. Your goal is to keep showing up. That's how ordinary actions become automatic habits.
Here's your challenge for the next 7 days. Choose one habit and make it so easy and you can't fail.
Attach it to an existing routine.
Then track your progress every day.
Small habits may seem insignificant today, but they can transform your future.
Subscribe to Growth in Minutes for simpler, science-backed ideas to improve your life.